Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Allam again, and I'm here to quickly show you how to use the homeroom on Google Slides. So since the last lockdown, we've changed the way we've been doing online learning, and we have a homeroom now. And this homeroom is something that the children see every single day in all our classrooms. So I'm just going to quickly show you how we use it. So the link that I gave you or your adult gave you in the story should lead to a PowerPoint looking type thing, but it's a Google slide. So all you have to do is once you're on it, just click present. And that's the easiest way. And you will see the subjects. If they are blue and underlined, that means they're linked to something. So say in this case, the maths, you would click the maths and it should take you to the maths work that the kids have to do. And keep in mind, it might be a bit odd for the adults because I know last time we just used Class Dojo and put everything on Class Dojo, but the kids will be familiar with these because they see these math slides every day and they should know what to do. So there you go, there's maths. If I go back, I'm going to do, say, click on handwriting. Handwriting, I've just put a little game on just to play. And be aware, your adult, this is what I've done for my class, but other adults might put a different handwriting thing for their class. It just depends what they feel like. You know me, I like IT, like playing some games. So there's the, once this loads, once my slow computer decides to load, there will be a handwriting game to do. You can pick whichever, obviously pick cursive, pick whichever letter you like and have a go at that. What other things are there in the homeroom? Also in the homeroom, there are just some random pictures. So in this case, if you click on this, excuse me, it will take you to Times Table Rock Stars. And we are learning Christmas songs. Now, Christmas songs isn't highlighted, but all the Christmas songs are just here. So if you click on it, it should take you to the YouTube video of this version that we are learning. When that decides to show up, we'll close that down. So that's the homeroom really, and every day we'll be sharing the link, and every day this top part will change. Other than that, that's it really. I hope that was helpful. Any questions, please message your class teacher. Thank you. Bye.